Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with the chess.com application.
To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started.
First of all, if you haven't installed the chess application on your device already, then we already have a video for you, so you might want to check that one out first. Now, after installing the chess.com application, just double-click on it to open it up. Now, just maximize this window and you will see the login button. Just click on it and now you will be asked to type in your username and your password. So just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password and then click on the login button. You can also click on the Remember Me button if you are logging in your private device. Now, after clicking on the login button, you will be logged into your account on the chess.com application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into the chess.com application.
If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.